cookbook or cooking show?
Cooking show.
Hi, Katie.
Hi, Well+Good.
Where are we?
We're at Cafe Clover. I have a little bit of avocado toast here with some sweet potato on it as well.
Before we let you get to that, let's dive into some questions.
Hit me.
What's your favorite thing you learned on set?
I would say from Jeffrey Zakarian, when you are making roasted vegetables, put your sheet pan in the oven while it preheats. And then when you put the veggies on them, they start cooking immediately.
Ooh, we'll have to remember that.
It's a good one.
How did you get your start in the food world?
I grew up cooking in my grandma's kitchen. I'm from West Virginia, a small town, and my grandma was my babysitter and the best cook in the world, in my opinion.
What's the best advice you received along the way?
Get a thick skin and get it fast.
I love that. And what's a piece of advice you'd give your younger self?
Stop thinking about boys so much.
Speaking of things you learned on set, you have incredible hair.
Why, thank you.
What are some of the secrets that you learned?
Well, I think a good hair day makes you have a good day. And for me, that starts with my color. I'm going gray. I've got some little ones coming in my part. It's always right where you see it. So I started coloring my hair at home with Revlon Total Color.
And any skincare secrets?
Well, I always wash my face, and if I'm not working, I try not to wear makeup and let my skin breathe on those days off.
What's one daily change we can all make to be healthier?
Eat more fruits and vegetables.
And one daily change we can all make to live a little bit more sustainably?
Eat more fruits and vegetables.
What's the one wellness practice you won't go a day without?
Flossing my teeth.
What inspired you to write Groundswell?
You know, I'd always wanted to write a novel. I was really drawn towards fiction, and I had started surfing, and one day I got out of the water and thought, this is my story.
You're on the board of the incredible Food Bank for New York City. How did you get involved, and what role does service play in your life?
It was really important for me to be part of an organization that gives back with food, since that's what I do for a living, and there's so much excess food in what I do. So I really wanted to be involved, and there are so many New Yorkers who are food insecure, so I could do something right here in my own community.
Favorite meal to eat?
Pizza.
Favorite meal to cook?
Thanksgiving.
Favorite cuisine in the world?
Italy. Italian. Anything Italian I love.
Favorite hobby?
Watching TV, does that count?
Totally counts.
I like to binge.
First thing you do when you wake up?
Press the button on the coffee machine.
Last thing you do before bed?
Put the coffee in the machine and the water so that it's ready in the morning.
What's the one food that reminds you of your childhood?
My grandma's biscuits and gravy, and I still make them from time to time.
Movie or show you can't help but to watch over and over again?
When Harry Met Sally.
One skill you wish you had?
I wish I could sing. I have a terrible voice.
What was the best day of your life?
When I got married to my husband, Ryan Beagle.
What would the title of your movie of your life be?
Oh God, that's a good one. Forgetful? Maybe that would be it. I'm a little bit forgetful.
And lastly, because we need to ask, what's your favorite dish to cook that includes avocado?
Guacamole.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah, gotta have my guac.
Well, hopefully one day we can get in on some of that guac, but for now, we'll let you eat your avocado toast. Thank you so much, Katie.
Isn't this pretty avocado toast? Almost too pretty to eat, almost. Want more Avocado Show? Subscribe right now. See you next time on the Avocado Show. I won't be here, but someone else will.